If you've lost footage, corrupted an SD card, or deleted important files by mistake, before you panic, there might be a way to recover it. Today, we're taking a look at Wondershare's Recoverit tool and how it can help bring lost files back. This has been extremely useful for me, so stick around and I'll explain exactly how to use it. Let's dive in. If you work with video or photography, data loss is unfortunately more common than people think. Memory cards can become corrupted, hard drives can fail, and sometimes files are just accidentally deleted or backups are incomplete. For creators, this is more than just a technical inconvenience. It can mean losing hours of footage, client work, travel content, or even once-in-a-lifetime moments that you simply cannot recreate. That's where recovery tools actually come into play here. And that is why I use Recoverit 14. This is a product by Wondershare, a very reputable company, and it's helped me recover literally thousands of files over the time I've been using it. Their newest version introduces several performance upgrades aimed at improving both speed and recovery accuracy. Instead of relying on simple file scanning methods, the software uses more advanced detection techniques to locate lost data and reconstruct files that may appear broken or incomplete. This makes it particularly useful for creators working with large video files or complex storage setups. So let me just demo this tool for you because this is something that's helped me and I think it's going to help you too. So here we are inside Recoverit and we can see all of our drives here that it's already kind of recognized. We've got our portable ones, our Mac drive, and our data. There's also SD card recovery, so if we plug that in, it's going to use AI to essentially scan that and look for broken files. This is good for cameras, drones, GoPros, stuff like this. And then we've got the corrupted file section, and this is where we can basically repair corrupted video, photo, or even document files. And they've also got some other AI features built into this, such as the blurry photo enhancer and facial detail enhancer. So great little add-ons here that we can go ahead and use. Now, if you store things in iCloud, they also have this iCloud recovery feature, which will basically recover any files you've deleted in the past 30 days. So that is super useful. And they also have some other tools here where, yes, if you've crashed your computer, you can restore the data from that crashed computer. You can also restore your NAS and Linux data. There's also this smart disk monitoring, which will basically just monitor the health of your disks, which is super useful. And then, of course, video and photo restoration, where basically you can just recover your photo and video files. Now, let's go into the Portable 2 drive and test this thing out. So yes, here it's going to give us a small tutorial where we can go ahead and find the file path. We can also search for specific files and we can hit the recover button once we're ready. And we can also see it's doing a deep scan here on the left. So it's going through all of our files and then finding anything that could potentially need recovering. Now, as you can see, we have access to all of our files on this drive. And once we're ready, we can hit recover and choose where we're going to recover those files to. We can also save it as a specific name, which is very helpful. Now we can go ahead and select MP4 here and recover if we want, or we can choose different folders or even multiple folders at the same time to recover simultaneously. Once we're happy, we hit recover, we can save it, we can tag it, and then press save. Next, it's going to give us this little pop-up here, which says, hey, it's recovering our file. And yes, it's gone ahead and recovered 900 MB worth of files already. We can click into that. We can see this is where the files will be. Now, it's important to note that Recoverit 14 does support a wide range of devices, including HDDs, SSDs, USB flash drives, SD cards, cameras and drones, and of course, action cameras. So for creators who shoot on multiple devices, this compatibility is extremely useful because it can recover files regardless of where they're originally stored. And as we've seen, the interface is incredibly easy to use, straightforward, intuitive buttons, and we can basically see all of our storage very, very easily. So losing important files can be incredibly frustrating, especially when the content cannot be recreated. Tools like Wondershare Recoverit provide a second chance by scanning storage devices, reconstructing damaged data, and helping creators recover files that might otherwise be lost permanently. If you want to see how the recovery process works or test it with your own storage devices, you can check out Wondershare Recoverit and explore the features available in the latest version. I'll leave a link down below. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day.